Have you ever gazed at the sky and wondered, how did all of this come into existence? How did we come into being? As humans, we've been asking these questions for ages, trying to unravel the mysteries of the universe. This vast expanse of space, peppered with stars, galaxies, and cosmic wonders, didn't always look the way it does now. Imagine a time before time, a reality before reality when there was nothing. No Earth, no stars, no galaxies, just a void. But within that void lay the potential for everything that would ever exist. The universe as we know it was about to be born. This birth wasn't a simple, quiet event. No, it was a cataclysmic explosion of energy and matter. It set the stage for all cosmic phenomena, for the formation of galaxies, stars, planets, and even life itself. All of this didn't just pop into existence. There's a fascinating tale behind it, a tale of a Big Bang. Imagine a point so small and so hot that it contains everything that ever was and ever will be. That's right, we're talking about the Big Bang, the mother of all explosions, the birth of the universe as we know it. Now, it's a bit of a misnomer to call it an explosion. It wasn't an explosion in the traditional sense, like a firecracker going off in space. Instead, the Big Bang was an expansion, a rapid stretching of space itself. Picture blowing up a balloon. As you inflate it, every point on the balloon's surface moves away from every other point. That's kind of like what happened with the Big Bang. But let's get back to that singular point, the one that contained everything. Scientists call it a singularity, a point of infinite density and temperature. It's hard to imagine, isn't it? Try thinking of it like the ultimate pressure cooker, with all the ingredients of the universe packed into one tiny spot. Now, imagine that pressure cooker suddenly releasing all that pent-up energy. That's the Big Bang. From this singularity, the universe started to expand rapidly. And when we say rapidly, we mean really, really fast, like faster than the speed of light fast. As the universe expanded, it cooled down. This cooling led to the formation of matter, the stuff that makes up you, me, and everything we see around us. As the universe continued to expand and cool, matter started to clump together to form stars. These stars grouped together to form galaxies. And these galaxies formed clusters, and those clusters formed superclusters, and so on and so forth, until we ended up with the universe as we see it today. So you see, the Big Bang isn't just about a big explosion, it's about the origin of everything. It's the story of how a tiny, hot, dense point expanded and cooled to form stars, galaxies, clusters, and superclusters. It's the story of how everything we see around us came to be. And so, from a tiny, hot, dense point, the universe as we know it began to take shape. So, to put it simply, the Big Bang is the birth story of our universe. Imagine a singularity, a point of infinite density and heat, bursting forth in a flash of extreme energy. This is how our universe was born, expanding rapidly from that initial singularity into the vast cosmos we see today. It was from this explosion, this Big Bang, that all matter we know came into being. The Big Bang Theory, quite an intriguing concept, isn't it? It's like the ultimate tale of creation, giving birth to galaxies, stars, planets, and even the atoms that make up you and me. And the beauty of it all? This theory is the most widely accepted explanation for the origin of our universe. It is backed by a wealth of scientific evidence, from cosmic microwave background radiation to the observed expansion of the universe. The universe, with its galaxies, stars, and planets, including our tiny Earth, all started with a Big Bang. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Craving more? Hit subscribe and journey with us through the realm of learning. Remember, every thumbs up and every subscription fuels our passion to deliver more. Become part of our learning community today.